Hello, how are you? It's been long and I'm here again. Don't forget about me. It's your girl Christine, and it's a good evening where I am. And a lot of things that has happened, and yeah, we're moving on. So, I'm at home, I'm in the farm, you know, and I'm happy. So, I came today and just realized that our eggs, our hens, have started, have started laying the eggs. So I'm happy. I'm happy. Our children will not buy eggs anymore, and so they're going to get the eggs from the farm. And so I hope and I believe that if you've been watching my videos, you've seen uh, the journey, how it started, the far we've came, from 1 day old chick to now they're laying the eggs. How wonderful is that? Oh, I'm happy. You don't know how I'm happy. And another thing, how a pig just gave birth, and I'm so happy. The pig gave birth to 14 piglets. Unfortunately, one died, and so the 13. Huh? How happy am I? So our local chickens are also here. A number of them are brooding, and yeah, it's good when you see things working, doing good as a farmer. You become happy. That's Mama Martin. That's the one taking care of pig, the chickens. Just wish I can get one go eat for today. Our local chicks, we allow them to walk, to get out, but for our layers, they don't. So I just want to take you to give you a quick tour of show you the progress, how it has gone. Uh, the tank was not working, it's now working, and now we have water. We don't have to sweat, we don't have to get it from the borehole. And yeah, so our kids from the orphanage will get eggs. That's the most happiest part of it. And our kids from the kindergarten level also will also get eggs. And so I want to give you a quick tour of our farm. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. I'm not going to I've not put on the boots, so I won't dump my shoes. So look at it. This is a troublemaker. And don't worry about the house. It can't be clean. It can't be clean. So that's the entrance. Just want to show you the pig. Look at our pig. Look at her. And look at the piglets. They've grown. Today I think they're 2 weeks old. They're 13 in number. Look at that. 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 How beautiful is it? So right now they're getting the milk from the mother, and again they're also eating, not so much, but they're teaching themselves how to eat. They're 13 in number. the tail was cut the day they were born, and the other one are no longer here. I guess we sold them or something else. So just a quick tour of our farm. This is how we keep, where we keep our local chickens and hens. So 2 are brooding. Don't know whether you can see it, that one. And another one is somewhere. Where? Oh, it's not easy to see the other one. So this is where we keep our local chickens. And this is where we keep our layers. And so our layers have started giving laying eggs. I wanted to say giving birth. They're laying eggs, and in few weeks time we'll be have eggs in plenty, now that we'll be able to sell, to distribute to the local shops. For now they're not much, we have little. No, they want to get out, so I won't open the door anymore. So we made these by our local fundi, our local carpenter. And so we collect when we want to collect our eggs, we just open here and collect. So there are no eggs here, and so I'll just close it. So I'm happy, just know that I'm happy. And there's also another one here. This one is a bit tricky. There are no eggs. So there are 46 in number. Not all of them have started laying the eggs. But soon, maybe in 2 weeks time, we'll be collecting 46 or more than 46 eggs in a day. Ma ukiaure? Oh. So like the video and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And by the way, can we eat layers? Can they be eaten? Can we use them as meat or any other proper term to use? Can we eat them? Look at them. Look at them. Wow. It feels nice. It feels nice when you're doing farming and things are doing good. In our local, we say that pith oyelweti. And so, wow, sorry. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Our tank is here, so we get water from this tank. It goes to that tap. It's not so clear, through this pipe. Yeah, and this water here also comes from from that tap to this point. So this one we use for cows. So we have cows around, we have sheep, we have goats, and that's nice. So that was a short tour of our farm, the progress. Our pig just got the babies, 14 babies. Our chicken, our layers also have started laying the eggs. So